In this lesson, you will review electrical settings. You will also add a wiring type. Electrical settings determine the voltages, wiring, distribution systems, and demand factors that are applied in the design. As you place components and create circuits, Revit MEP checks to ensure that components are compatible with the specified voltages and distribution systems, speeding up the design phase. Select the menu browser and click Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Electrical Systems folder, open the file RME Elect Planning 01. Let's add a correction factor. Click the Manage tab, and from the Project Settings panel, click the MEP Settings drop-down and select Electrical Settings. In the Electrical Settings dialog, select Correction Factor, and for Material, select Copper, and for Temperature, select 90, and click New Correction Factor, and for Factor, type 1.04 and click OK. Next, let's add a wiring type. On the left side, select Wiring Types, then click Add, and for name, type THHN, and for material, select Copper, and for temperature rating, select 75, and for insulation, select THHN. And next, let's add a voltage definition. Select Voltage Definitions, then click Add, and for name, enter 240, and for a value, enter 240, and for a minimum, enter 220, and for maximum, enter 250. Next, we'll add a distribution system. Select Distribution Systems and click Add, and for name, enter 120/240, and for wires, select 3. For LL voltage, select 240, and for LG voltage, select 120. Next, we'll specify demand factors. Select Demand Factors, and for load classification, select Power, and under More Than, select 10,000 VA, and then click Split, and select 20,000 VA, and for demand factor, enter 50. Click OK, and close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.